Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can send a one-time viewed video on Snapchat. So let's get started. Sending a video that can only be seen once on Snapchat is simpler than it sounds, and in this guide, I'll walk you through every step so you won't miss anything. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android or iOS device. Once the app is open, head over to the chat section by tapping the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your conversations are listed. Next, select the chat with the friend or group you want to send the video to. Once you're inside the chat, it's time to capture your video. Tap the capture button to record a snap or video. After recording, you'll see a small timer icon on the screen. This timer lets you control how long the video can be viewed. Tap the timer and set it to 1, which ensures the recipient can only watch your video once before it disappears automatically. Once the timer is set, all that's left is to hit the send button. Your one-time view video will now be sent securely to your chosen chat. This feature is especially useful if you want to share something personal or funny without it staying in the chat permanently. Remember, Snapchat will notify you if someone tries to replay your snap, giving you extra control over your content. By following these steps, you can make sure your videos are viewed only once, giving you more privacy and control over what you share. Whether it's a quick, funny clip, an important message, or just a moment you want to share safely, this one-time view feature makes Snapchat even more convenient and secure. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.